Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's enter in today's video. So today's video is for those who find this error on their VMware workstation while installing any operating system. यो चाहिँ virtualization technology disable भएको कारणले यो error आउँछ. So to solve that, go to setting and go to update and security button, then click on your recovery on your left hand side and advanced setup मा गएर restart गर्ने. So any firmware settings haru BIOS setting haru garnu parda chai we need to restart our PC, so we will do that. And go to troubleshoot option, click on that, then advanced options. Now go to UEFI firmware settings. Now restart it. You can see here the key. So for BIOS setup we need to enter F10 on our keyboard. We'll click on that, so you will see this on your screen. Go to system configuration and there you see virtualization technology is disabled. So we need to enable that. After enabling we need to save it. So save गर्नको लागि चाहिँ हाम्रो की छ F10. You can see below there F10, save and exit. So click the F10 keyboard on your keyboard. So it's done. Now we will check on our VMware. So it's working. That's it. Thank you. Very धन्यवाद and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.